going to try and give the lawn a little bit of a mow for my dad before he comes home. Try and neaten this place up a little bit. Start small, I think. Go out the front. Later on I can go tackle maybe a bit of a bigger job. Charge the battery, put some fuel in. Club Cadets, it's called. Seen a John Deere for sale on the Bundaberg classifieds. I thought, man, I'd love to have that for myself. And slowly do it up, you know what I mean? Beautiful little John Deere, but yeah. Apparently this one is hydrostatic. For some reason I can hear John Travolta saying it. It's hydrostatic! Sounds like a cool name for a stoner metal band. Anyways, yeah, let's have a go. Got my strongbow. It's a nice little beer holder there. Keys. Break in. Yeah, boy. Lawnmower Man.